Okay, so here's a good indication of how well the Autopilot steers when you are trolling 14 rods at about, what are we sitting at, Bill? 3.2 knots. As you can see, very, very little engine movement, which is pretty impressive considering the fact that it is hard to tell, but quite choppy out here today. Let's just see if I can see through the sun here. So yes, for those counting, that is 14 rods we're trolling. And every other person you see out here, which I know is kind of difficult because I'm having a hard time standing here, is also doing the same thing. This is like the Rockfish Highway. So there you have it. Even in choppy conditions, going 3 knots, trolling 14 rods, Autopilot sticking like glue.